Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So Beebeecraft reached out to me and asked me, I hope I'm saying the name right, but I'm sure I am. Asked me if I would pick out some things and work with them and show them. I said I would. Y'all know I have worked for them with them in the past. So let me show you what I picked out for today. So the first thing is this stamp set. It is so pretty. Got an elegant feel. Also, this is a envelope. I said you got the hearts, the postage, you got the liner. So that's gonna it's two in a, I measured right here. These two is 2 3/4 inches wide. So that's what that one. And I will have all the links in the description box below. We have this telephone die. Yes, just a call away, honey. Yes. Here is a bird die set. And then this one right here, like if you just want to add some texture to the background or something, you know how you just want to add a little some. That's what that one is for. And then the last thing that I picked was this cute elephant stamp set. So cute. All right, so that is all that I have. I just wanted to show you what I picked out, and then I'll be back with what I made with these. All right, so you guys have a blessed day. The links, everything will be in the description box below. If I have a code or something, it'll be in the description box, but I don't think I have one, but just check just in case. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching.